I quit sugar for 30 days. Here's what happened to my body. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you quit sugar for just 14 or 30 days? Spoiler alert, your body would thank you in ways you never imagined. From weight loss to better skin, improved energy, and even a sharper mind, cutting out sugar can transform your health. But here's the catch: sugar is addictive and hiding in almost everything. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what happens when you quit sugar, what to expect, and how to make this life-changing habit stick. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll never look at sugar the same way again. Why sugar is a silent killer. Sugar isn't just empty calories, it's a drug. It hijacks your brain, fuels cravings, and silently destroys your health. Here's how. It triggers insulin resistance, leading to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and fatty liver. It fuels inflammation, which increases your risk of heart disease, cancer, and chronic pain. It disrupts hormones, causing mood swings, fatigue, and poor sleep. It damages mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, accelerating aging and brain fog. It weakens the immune system, making you more vulnerable to illness. But here's the good news. When you cut sugar, your body starts to heal fast. So what happens when you quit? Let's break it down. The first few days, sugar withdrawal. Let's be real, quitting sugar isn't easy. Sugar is addictive, and just like any drug, withdrawal is part of the process. Here's what you might experience in the first few days: headaches, fatigue and mood swings, intense cravings, irritability and brain fog. The good news? This phase is temporary. By day 4-5, your body starts adjusting, and the real magic begins. Week 1. Detox and healing begins. Less bloating and water weight loss. Your body releases stored glycogen, which holds onto water, leading to a slimmer face and flatter stomach. Improved digestion. Less sugar equals a healthier gut microbiome and fewer digestive issues. Clearer skin. Sugar fuels inflammation, which can cause acne and dull skin. Cutting it out can give you a natural glow. Steadier energy levels. No more sugar crashes, just sustained energy throughout the day. Week 2. Major health benefits kick in. Weight loss accelerates. Without insulin spikes, your body starts burning fat for energy. Better sleep. Stable blood sugar means deeper, more restful sleep. Improved mental clarity. No more brain fog, just sharp focus and clear thinking. Fewer cravings. Your taste buds reset, and real food starts tasting amazing. Week 3-4. Your body transforms. Stronger immune system. White blood cells work 40% better without sugar. Balanced hormones. Less stress, better mood, and improved insulin sensitivity. Better heart health. Lower triglycerides, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. Enhanced longevity. Cutting sugar slows aging by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Beyond 30 days, a new lifestyle. Your gut thrives. A healthier microbiome means better digestion. Your skin glows. Reduced inflammation equals a natural, youthful look. Your metabolism is stronger. Your body efficiently burns fat for energy. Your risk of chronic disease drops. Lower chance of diabetes, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. And the best part? You feel amazing. No more cravings. No more sugar controlling you. You are in control. The Sugar-Free Challenge. How to make it stick. Ready to see these changes for yourself? Here's your challenge. Cut out added sugars. No sodas, candies, pastries, or processed foods. Avoid hidden sugars. Check labels for high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, and other sneaky names. Focus on whole foods. Eat plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated. Drink water, herbal teas, or black coffee to curb cravings. Prioritize sleep and exercise. Both help regulate hormones and reduce cravings. By the end of 14 days, you'll notice fewer cravings, better sleep, and a newfound appreciation for natural flavors. And if you're feeling ambitious, extend it to 30 days for even more benefits. Quitting sugar isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle change. It's about taking control of your health and giving your body the chance to heal. So, are you ready to take the challenge? Drop a comment below and let me know how it goes. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a sugar wake-up call. Your health is worth it.